Okay, guys, we are in the NQ right now. I'm not in it right now, but I'm looking for possibly a sell below this low right here. And I'm waiting. I want to see at least one green candle set up. And the reason I'll show you this is over here. This is the slow stochastic right here, and it's getting ready to cross the 50% line. And the RSI's already turned, the MACD's already turned. I always like to get at least one green candle in there when it hits that point. So that is what I'm looking for. I'll get back over here to my system. We have about 3 more minutes in this candle. So once I get a green candle, I'll put a sell stop below this low. I'd like to see it go back up here and then come down and fail. Because see this little trend line you got here, and this is the VWAP. This blue line is so. I'm just going to hold tight. I'll come back and update it when if we do get filled up on this. Okay. So now we have our order in right here at 65.75 to sell it on a stop. Everything is looking like it can go on down. We don't know yet, but I'm going to just keep this order in right here. The only problem on these short sells, what I've noticed is you really have to put your stop up above that candle that pierces through the to get you into the trade. Usually my 5 point stop will get stopped out on the short side. Now going long, they're usually pretty good. But if you notice down here, the DMIs they're kind of indecisive right now. So I think if it breaks low, the red is actually above the green. It should go on up, but we don't know yet. So I'll come back if something happens here. Yeah, just a real quick update here. This really looks like it's going to go down because this is broken below. This is slow stochastic. Like I said, the red line is the 50% level. And usually if it breaks and this breaks at the same time when this is crossing and everything else is pointing down, I should be able to get 20 points out of it. And that is what I'm going to go for. So I'll be back. All right, so I just got filled at 65.50 and it's at 61 right now. Let's see what we're looking at. Up about 85 bucks, 90 bucks. Um, I'm kind of thinking about bringing this take profit down in this area. There's, if you'll notice, there's a lot of trading that went on right here. And and all I'm looking at is just adding. My risk was about 30 points. So I figured, well, let's try to take 30 points. So that's kind of my method to my madness. But also, look, here's a trend line that it broke. And we get over here, everything's going down. So I think I'm in a pretty good position right now, folks. Just got to break these support levels right here. From that was overnight right here. This is the first candle of the day. So if it breaks that low, it could keep going. Uh, I don't know. I mean, well, nobody knows. But right now, I think I'm in a kind of pretty safe spot. The DMI, the negative DMI is moving towards the upside, and the green is going down, which is a good sign. So all in all, let me go on and put a stop in above that candle right there. You gotta be safe. You always gotta cover your bases here. It is a lot of risk. I don't like taking that much risk. I think if you've seen my videos before, you realize that I usually only want to risk 100 bucks. But then if I get stopped out, I'll usually jump back in um, if it sets up. But right now, it looks like it's getting kind of weak and wants to turn over. Let's see how this is looking. Yeah. So far, so good. We'll see what happens, though. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it's going to go. It's testing that support level of the first candle. And I'm thinking maybe yeah, it's right there. There we go. We broke on through it. I'm up $235 right now. Right here, you can see the scorecard thing, whatever. Yeah, it's breaking on down. I'm up $400, $500. Let's see if we can get my order right here at 35.25. You see it right there. Everything's looking bearish for it, and yep, all my indicators are looking like it wants to keep going down. All right, so I just took out $600. I'm happy with that. That's it for the day. I just enjoyed that setup. Everything was falling into place. I hope you had a good trading day. I thank you for watching, and I will try to post a little more often, and we'll just see where it goes from there. So, like I said, everything fell into place today. We'll see what happens later. Tomorrow's another day. So have a good trading day. I will see you on the next video. Thank you.